Something I really love about Alex is that he always tries to fix things. Our blow dryer went out and he pulled it apart and he is gonna attempt to fix it. Hopefully it works, but even if it doesn't, nonetheless, I think that's pretty awesome. What's that thing?
This is a soldering kit. I'm gonna try to solder some wire and try to fix the blow dryer. Let's do it.
What does the flex do?
Helps the solder stay together.
I smell it smoky. So what exactly are you doing? You're
Soldering the wires together. Again, let's try it out. I got it all put back together. I'm ready.
You are amazing!
Thank you.